Hey, if you ever wanted to put images on your car screen, all you would have to do is have an SD card, okay? If you look inside the glove compartment, a lot of these cars have this feature right here. Inside your SD card holder, you just put that in.
Does it matter SD1 or SD2?
SD1 is for navigation.
Okay, good to know. Go ahead.
Alright, you hit images. Give it a second. There you have it. And then you can create a slideshow if you like. You know, you got the dog. You can also pause it and zoom in for clarity. Nice. But for your safety, you should never try this while you're driving. It actually won't allow you to do it when you get over speeds of 5 to 10 miles an hour. So this right here, you can actually set the display time of how long you want the pictures to actually stay on the screen. For now, this right here is actually at 5 seconds, but you can actually set it from 10, 15, and 30 as well. And then you can also scale down the view.
Cool, thank you, Cornelius.
Not a problem.